Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Beau's Slow English. We just got back from ziplining. I forgot what it was called for a second. And it was a great adventure. And now we are heading downstairs to the hotel's restaurant for dinner. Please like my video to show your support and also click subscribe so we can be friends. Okay, running Cannonball.
Whenever you're ready, go for it. Ruben.
Ready?
Go for it. Okay, thankful. You go first.
While I wait for my husband, he said he's ready. Please check out my ebooks. The links are below in the description. I created these ebooks in an effort to help you to sound like a native English speaker. I love walking down this hallway because the archway is beautiful. So this is an archway. What are you craving tonight for dinner?
Probably a nice fish, a sea bass, or halibut of some sort.
Sounds great. You know what's weird about the elevators in America is if you click a button, but then you click it again, it does not unclick it. I know in Korea, they have that feature. It's smart. We're going into the store, this yoga store. They have all sorts of retail items. Hi, I'm here to return these pants. Did someone tell you about these?
Yes.
Is it okay if I kind of record it? I teach English.
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course.
So I can learn some new vocabulary.
Yes, I was in my moments of time. I was trying to investigate. When did you buy these?
I bought the pants yesterday.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Where do you teach?
I teach on YouTube.
That is so cool.
Oh.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
The internet is so magical. How we are so much more connected than we've ever been before.
Yeah.
That you can then communicate across the ethers.
A lot of ethers.
Teach
Yes.
a new language.
Yeah.
Amazes me.
Yeah. I love it.
And then you get the freedom of being able to work from home.
I'm working on that. Right now it's just a hobby. I did get monetized though.
If you don't mind me asking, how many followers do you have to do that?
So you have to have 4,000 subscribers, I think. Oh my gosh, I can't even remember. It feels like kind of a long time ago, but I just got monetized like a month and a half ago. But it's also about the watch hours. Oh, maybe it's 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, something like that. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah. One of my videos went viral suddenly, like a video that you wouldn't expect. That's just always how it happens. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
And then how long are you staying in Hawaii for?
We're leaving on Thursday. Yeah. We're going to dinner. Yesterday, they didn't give me a receipt, so it was a little difficult for them to locate my purchase. We are waiting for the hostess to seat us. Look at this automatic toothpick dispenser. Isn't that cool? I've never seen that before. Oh, there it is. There's some crayons back there for children to stay occupied during their meal. I know some people who say the word crown instead of crayons. We are still waiting to be seated. Let's talk about the different materials that we see. This is, what material is this? Like a concrete?
Yeah.
Concrete? Okay, so this is concrete. This floor base is a concrete. This is a chalkboard. The frame of the chalkboard is wood. And the wall is wood. They have a lot of wood here, and this company, this hotel chain, is known to use recycled wood. And then this is stone. It's nice stone, actually. That's the gym. And here we go. We're gonna get seated now. We're a little early for our reservation, so they asked us to hang out at the bar, or we can just walk around, and they will come and grab us. This is by the pool over here.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
We got some used towels here, and some fresh towels, and sunscreen. The person who is helping with the towels is called a pool attendant. It says, "Our pool attendant will be with you shortly. Please help yourself to towels and sunscreen."
Hi, how's it going?
Good.
Can I help you?
Oh, I'm
You
just
just
waiting to
making
be
a video?
seated. I teach English,
Okay.
so I just talk about what I see.
I didn't interrupt your video, did I?
No, you're kind of on it now.
Oh, I am?
Yeah, but they like to hear the conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Welcome to Kauai.
Yeah, thank
In
you.
the One Hotel.
Yeah, thank
My
you.
name's Zach.
Thank you,
And
Zach.
I'll be your cabana boy for today.
Thank you. That was very helpful. See, so lately I have been. Hi, sorry. Lately, oh, sorry. This is a bad place to stand. Lately, I have been telling people that I teach English, and it helps to open up a conversation. So then they won't wonder what I am doing with this camera. We are going to go down to a quiet area. This is where we had breakfast today. We will probably have breakfast here tomorrow. We got lots of people on boats still, enjoying the weather. It's still sunny out. Oh, this is a good place to sit, right here. I just showered, and it's the evening, but I did wear sunscreen again, so I will have to wash my face again before I go to bed. In an effort to create shorter videos that are feasible for you to watch in one sitting, which means in one session, I'm going to end this video so you get to see my dinner in the next video. If you would like to have early access to my videos, please join my YouTube membership. The link is below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.